back to Azarus, part 46.
I'm about ready to go play some Minecraft. My name is Azarus. Welcome back to some more Incredibox. Today we're heading back into the Minecraft world of Incredibox and playing a mod called Aria Math. Just so happens to be one of the names of the songs in Minecraft. And this one is a classic song, so I'm really excited to see.
Be right back. We're back.
No doubt about it, the beats went hard. The switch up on the second loop, shocking, surprising. Mixed it up a little bit, I liked it. Alright, we're moving on to these